Inti ahwefo se na mamoti ase no. Stella no Kontonchi Media. Yes, Yugusua ne say Yuguso na. Ene no mu hwa yes, baby amabe pue mu ndi mu yedinye. Na ene no nkomo na yebedi no eye three sites. Eye training hustle and a so teacher by training, cobbler by hustle, musician by so. And then you by you decide way mun come. Na enado enano onya bere man na mampo by mampo nya himself any pin them. Na pin them be kire yen ni dinya ngasa any baby or one ya story na fi ya start apeke fast ni ahwe ni asoto pin them bi aboko ah yaka pin them yen na
pin them ye obi ofene Ejako Henry.
Okay. Ejako Henry. Oh, okay. Ejako Henry, o papa mama to say.
Oh, me mama me to so for me papa mama to say 2.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Ye wo office back. Yes, office back. Na ye wo no. Na what can be chem say education wise one.
Oh, more PC
ye propon here. Level
300.
Oh, okay. In Jack, how many years were you?
Oh, let's say 1 year.
1 year. Yeah. Now, Nyami Adamawa out as a teacher.
Yeah, maybe mentorship. Maybe mentorship ni wia. Asana mabe serve. Asana posting aba.
When I say ni na we fe mo teacher no abeti. Se sia na wakọ na adwuma ya wo ye. Shoemaker adwuma we.
Yeah.
How many years?
Oh, and in say adwuma na nkasa.
Yeah.
Me papa adwuma. So nsade.
Okay.
Me akola no kwa na startation. Nti ya dey ase me wo mutum.
Okay.
Start here ya che.
Okay. Who another interest which is music?
Yeah, sapebepe.
Enti sesi ano we one person in 3.
Yeah.
Music, teaching, and adwuma we.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you blend the 3? Sa how do you blend it to make it work?
You say we are sananga.
Yes.
Who person we bibia? I say unya time ma bibia.
Okay. Why did you choose teacher training?
Oh. You say one thing about profession is me pay how like you impart knowledge in people. So that
okay.
Because you see, okay, the environment we are in right now. You can see say most of the people most of the children coming up on.
Yes.
One children can at that stage. When they grow up, they'll mess up.
Okay.
Here lies the case. Me catch me who say, how can I help those people? I mean, the children that are coming out. How can I help them?
Okay.
Sometimes you will be friend say, but we to know for and then connect meeting.
Okay.
But most of the time, my friend was through one teachers for
yeah.
So if I pass through that level, that's
okay.
Teacher training, I'm a father part now. Now me your class teacher, now me join I'm a child. Whatever I tell you, you get. I mean, you listen.
Okay. Okay. It's basically to impact knowledge to children,
yeah.
And Emma will choose teaching.
Yeah.
Okay. Enti sesi anu wo teacher training.
Yeah.
Teacher training student wo san years adwuma we. Adwuma we e bo school.
Oh me ye school ba emergency ba me to me because they want schedule classes.
Okay.
About Monday to Friday, me work class.
Okay.
They be weekends no be catch him school. Charlie me pobo ase and me bag ya say man be that one day. The two square me to me one man.
Oh the two so
yeah.
How does it feel?
Oh, mean obu obeka say enugu as me
yes.
Young boy guy man. Even my friends been catch him artist pa we am. I'm school and found na we ase nankasa no. Uti na nipa beka undu be dia opese wudu.
Now I can't patch repeat my
me say we ase opese wudu be bia na uti nipa undu be bia opese wudu. So ase. Nti isi ade ebe ye date job wo be sere wo be si wo be ka si. But time ne ba now ye ya. Obe forget that past. That's now.
Okay.
So, na ye nyina ye wo wiase. Ye ntumi nkoye office work. Me ye nyina kwatena office work. Make us say unpobo ato ne be. Nti at least you see ye wo obi a sector. Place obe ye be boa ye ho. Nti ene ma ba ye ma se me hia health insurance. Ma ba na wa ya mama. Unpobo ato on so ba me shop me ya ma. Vice versa.
Okay.
Mboya ne biane.
music. How did you start music? When did you start music?
Okay.
What made you do music?
Okay, me akola no. Na me we brevity if you are. One me fan ni bibi nti me fan di ntuga.
Okay.
No our laptop.
Uh-huh.
No watch American, music clips na to so.
Okay.
Nti me hwe always na on him say me pe nwum pa.
Okay.
Nti always na ebo otu kwankwa na opi otumi the laptop na ma watch password. Nti ebo me hwe. Nti me hwe na ebo that time on is Americans for no work as slangs.
Yeah.
Nti me that time adwini nti me mente words ba me ko school na me so maka chale me so me rap you na mo so me rap me amele where's the swantation was why I do so sad nti ye didi mu di ma lo I bo Lewis me nkan ba flow ni nya de na echo so I say now one thing about music is what spirit. You through that and I gain that spirit of music within me.
Okay.
Nti as me baby a music ni a strong by SS. Na me tro that time na nti anyway bin me be yeah good with the lyrics. Me be jai sa amele na me yen. Na me be yeah good with the lyrics. Nti man ka say me tro me lyrics.
Okay.
But one thing about me say me tro a freestyle. Me ya me to my freestyle to make say me fa be freestyle me to my na me refi. But you call school na mkonya down for me. Na ka chale pin na me you good o. E dey throw when na start recording ade na me so okay. Nti fair way no questions na boy no encourage me na boy no so obo beat. Otumi table bo beat na ade.
Okay.
So obey me friend and school say otumi bo chenku fan ho na ja obo beat na me so me tunyum sa na me hu say yeah school no me jedi. Em say na ade na fam nti say me serious. Na me di mu sa
okay. Saa nneɛma 3 year wo do ti ahye ni. Emunya when na edure ni pa at this stage in your life. Is it the school? Is it adwuma way and music?
Oh, sisia me tum ka ni nyina ndweni me. Ni nyina
like way emunya when na who say it take you attention pa.
Oh, school. Because school need take my attention because school they were eating.
Yeah.
When your time is the grade you want, you not get it. So once then the school ni pa until attend school ni am me share that time my music ni pa ba near we adwuma me house na me and only on take much attention because ska me nya all this house ni mu ni bia na me purchase nyame kakra osu a me papa also supporting kakra so say papa supporting me nti nyame bi wan bia na me papa e kodi o me papa o nti house we ya na me so me de beto to nyama nyame bia e bo me hu atane me fera me sha me ntino ka say at this age wo kan tin papa say da me pa atare nti to mam
okay
nti sa edwuma we ya na me so eja me so me carry scan na me so me 1 or 2 de me ye me record nyuma edwuma we ya na me so me de
wow
nti so far we taking me much attention but school no so and me focus pa also because me use school I can see say do all the other things I can do it.
Okay, into 5 years from now, what blow in teaching?
Yeah.
And now 5 years from now, what blow?
Yeah.
Teaching, music, adwuma way. Which one would you university for? Brofobia work up I say emunia when na ube man attention pa.
Oh, saying adwuma trinya abe compatible to myself. Me for normal.
Okay.
Nti na because days and life no we have schedules.
Okay.
Nti ni nyina metuma in a schedule form. Music normally as you can see shows and other things because I interview na be on the daytime na dia. Shows na in the program at night.
Yeah.
Na teaching also most of and also we morning getting to the afternoon time minimum. So I say na adwuma we so if say about next 5 years to come me blue pa na akraba me ho a let my company within the company let me I employ apprentice. I mean the time I me teaching jobs in Adian not they are there to me point am about and if me show be am call and I daytime or we were saying interview there let me seek permission from the headmaster or mistress na call aba
okay
so say So I can, in next 5 years, I can combine all these things together.
Without leaving even one
I
cry.
will not leave one. Because music, even whenever I'm sad, when I meet you, like I'm okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now right now no so who can so ye adwuma mo bia mekọ okoro akoye obi adwuma obe ye adwuma de ni nyina ba ketua na eba na kakra.
Okay.
Ti den ti na ka mensan na adwuma mesua na kakra no mentumi boost me home. So I say now to me for when into government so sir you can hear sometimes you can hear say oh abantua teachers foka to work or strike. So na me ka say ti scanning ba wo be den na ma doge adwuma na house na me ye na me den na me fi. If say in terms of say that offense scarcity of money offense aban bo into me ntua won nya de na adwuma we so bua me say me ka wa cha
3 years from now we wait me teaching.
Let me teach.
Okay. So 3 years from now you fans say where you bibia we cropon we post you at my president GSS.
Yeah.
Some of come bit my better eye.
Which one be? The kai we school aye we school aye we be STS.
Okay.
Aye ko STS o posting into schools nya ade a offense yeah schools is a mampon praise be atutu nya ade.
Okay.
Ti me ko kira ade wo no ye ko observation ba one or two be na teacher no dey for teaching mu so that we get the concept very well.
Okay.
Nti na me kira won nya ade nti there was at that time me ko ye adwuma me ko ye mpobandi ma bo otutu. Not knowing akwala ba kwa me koye ba me na me koye pobo ama akwala ba ko me class e na ma me so do wanna say ma Miss teacher new no baby san sell ye pobo abi see you like ma me no ko na ni aso say teacher new
Remember when people meet you here, people who don't know say who could training college, who don't know you pursue music, when they come and meet you, how do they see you? Like how is their reaction like? Do they see you there where oh just normal and I say
and sometimes you know is the kind of lifestyle most of the boys live they will think maybe oh you'll be part of them.
okay. Yes. Yeah.
Because growing up and when I'm for be start say make you friends as men now for need at this age maybe they've been into that bad behaviors.
Okay.
So maybe na to make us say well because of bad behaviors into ubehu na twem. Oh Charlie what's up? Yeah. Maybe so the person maybe onipa na twem obehu because at the boy so say not ten. Me want so want say just an immediate conversation be on onipa na na wako baby.
Okay.
So maybe obi a one perception o ma obi.
Okay.
So I say
okay.
Ube as me tia obehu ma e wa adwuna be obi we because obi we hard work o you obi so because oh boy we so adwuma ben no yi young boy we see e so bia na adwenkyere nti me one thing about me is me minti na nipa ka that's it.
Has there ever been a day obi di adwuma we akaseti out in your music that
oh na me can madam be ka chems Charlie boy we dey do music o yam pobo Charlie en lie you so
in the boy way they do music and kadeng sa na nkaye
Ochirima say nyama be online business trading I didn't because even obi catch me say we okay so one money I didn't other artists na when you started browsing when you scan what this music in to me yes after I found me start browsing na me say that browsing we start you baby do baby we do tibe kura baby a what you create so I say na me so me na ma me the amount for life when live behind so when me to my brabon boni
okay
nti obi de nsa kwasho boy asena atwa na me nso me fa me nsa kwasho esa my okwase
okay
sana me ka waje ase
yes
nti me we obi ayesi na ma ye onipa ayesi na ambo na me nso me ko the same thing esa me mum na ma me kwase
wow very deep
yes
very deep enti meaning say it doesn't matter what they to you know a move like and take a cry.
Me family me maybe me cause me real so I say
Okay.
And now be can me meet you. That's it. Now home na can you to look at cause oh we am for boy so we say my lifestyle. So a small time scanning bar on kai bi mu.
Enti mpaboa wo pam ana say wo ye.
Oh ha ye pam mpaboa na ye bibia.
Mpaboa ben sana.
Oh yeah, slippers, school bags, money a day.
Okay.
Shoes, I buy a wire say baby I'm office which in under baby I'm a baby.
Oh, okay. 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 In just experience no wo pa.
Yeah.
O papa o.
Yeah, me papa o.
O mama o.
Me mama do we.
Okay. How does your father take it?
Oh. On say when we say like saying a me person here. It's bibi we ni a won si me kwan. But ni o ka che me say eh no ahwe ni.
Okay.
In Santa we me pampo ba wa mpo because ko fihwe na pa ni a wo.
Okay.
So na apam ye say nti bibi a me ye bibi na me go wrong kwa direction am directions.
Okay.
So on say music ni say on kasi me enjoy music or full support.
What was his first reaction when he found out say you want to pursue music?
Oh, first reaction na me rehearsals. Okay, me rehearsals for inside.
Okay.
No so ada e bi. Then Kofi who surround to prepaid. Now you did wa am say we me you lights baby. That's it. You say I offer me the kasa. But it gets to a time I'm winning award do Accra Metropolitan Assembly.
Oh, okay.
Took or eminent award. Na me fa 2. To me ba ohun even through that way after that way me senya interview nya de ba CTV or interview or CTV nti ohun o TV so nya de no say na dey na me ye na de papa
who should you prepare?
yeah say me ya on kasa bi.
Okay. Okay. Has there ever been a day where you actually show that?
Oh, show the on the meeting corner.
But do you ever say one day we bet you na ko show?
Oh, make you na ko. Na most of the shows na me kono. At times hanom baby a e bo Accra Sunhum na ade so ade.
That far.
You no ko far because you say nkofu bebre me obi a me hu kura na me nim okura mbese me no make friends na hu say me music.
Oh, okay.
Nti bibi eni a me just chale eni o bibi eni a e bo show bi a no alenkem.
Okay.
Na e bo a me as was starting one more start.
Yes, I know the exposure first.
Was starting there. Warm to I mean, one mouth she. Sometimes ye love and the coy, dear, woman, ya cost on the app. Many jenny say me do me dinner station. I'm a mouthful.
Yes.
A mouthful.
People love what you are doing.
Me kai maybe or yeah, show we do Radio Mountains.
Okay.
Now we're fighting what they call. At least in the starting, no papa away. Into me, edu me 10. My down, missy. Hey, Charlie,
yawa we dey automatic.
I me penny say we go me must we. To me one am starting me no me lose and man appeal account me yawa money mu say fans. Hey.
But your pillar no my.
I say man appeal account me yawa money be the thing we go as a farmer swapping cities to fit more dollar. Maybe the boss call me Shankara. Some sit for the seed and go down me need the step on the road and rolling the way smoking the pipe to enter the air money enter my head in space. You go see paddy go left you make you weak before be strong no defeat. They call me loser. You know one day me boy I gonna room me gonna cruise. Don't spoil me future. Cause many ways we never lose, you know go lose. So I say, into lose and I me to no cry. I want to say, you say sometimes when we're moving forward to achieve something, people will disdain you, or be browse, or back a car and send me breathe.
Yes.
So I say, sometimes they call me loser, but when you know me yourself, I know one day I'll get to the place I want.
Okay. Even though they call you a loser today, but you know where you are going. It's a journey.
Because man a pillar. So pillar. If pillars one a firm, you can shake the pillar. You can never fall.
Yes. You be shaking alright, baby.
Yeah. It's because man a pillar. That doesn't mean say I'm a pillar.
Yeah.
So as I'm telling you, the vision, the goal that I have is static. So I say, unto me, be like a bit fading off.
Okay. Okay.
Today, my back say, I'm I made the boss. As a Muslim.
Oh, yeah, then coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee for Sana was here. Coffee for the was Sana.
Yeah.
Yeah, penny. Yeah.
What's me boss as a Muslim?
Yes.
Now, I mean, so because me spirit and I mean, instant garden to me, be na me, and I'm a around.
Okay.
Now, send me anything.
Okay. Okay. That's great.
Sometimes, let me kushu. Me can't tell papa because me come in so because therefore obi better or better.
Yes, and when you
me catch on. Because by moment, I'm saying.
Okay. Nti say yeah in the music no nkomo akra. Let's look at Buha higher concerning record labels. Any ande. As you are coming, say obi ba because ahwefo amohwe mbehwe a mbeti amoze there is a music playing at the background. A loser nebo at the background. When obi ba no kasi ope won flow na ope so sign out to a record label. Will you accept or you reject?
Oh, right now. Na make us BBI offense agreement.
Okay.
It's if say right now maybe I'm one na music is money. And before we do that up there, no, they will be the sky show me.
Yes.
Black Sheriff, you have Black Sheriff say, yeah, BBC here.
Yes.
Time or very talented. Maybe on one skin one uncle be to maybe baby on one. On your next count to me for this camp pushing could be one. No, Yambo. That's what all the who share record label. So, Nipa Niska, but basically, no Nipa no so fast.
Yes.
But one thing about things say, in fact, I want to and now be out here and pro don't be in haste to acceptance be a be affect you in future. Say by me here, me person me blue and I'm here record label say what the buy I mean kind of cry and I'm accept my sign now. So far, who school into what you have to read things, analyze, even take time to think about it. So I say, you be now just weigh the positive and negative aspect of it. Now I wish I up way offense and new way alternative no dozen. What you saying? So if the negative aspect is more than the positive aspect, then don't choose it. But if the positive aspect is more than the negative aspect, then you know now you should make sure that if the negative aspect will bring about your downfall there, then don't do it.
Artists they work into me in Kwechi. We artists now work man. What talent into me. Do you believe in that theory?
Oh, me, I don't believe. It depends on you individual.
Why?
Because if say me I'm an artist, now the person me come anima. It depends on me. So I say I shouldn't think say the person me bua obi be bua me tia me say if say you know TikTok tabi my TikTok abi my video man post wo so a be see the obi ehun say pinam yenyu.
Okay.
Obi wa o se me music. So I say o person obi anka saba no be so ni same. Obeso ni same na
or didn't go through.
I say one hard work in man.
Do you believe in that theory? Say artists they work to me blue.
Oh, you let me blue. Now it depend on young kasa.
Okay.
Now one thing I will tell you is say hanum under like young artists you want there's no love. Young kasa to me imagine nyama. So I say yeah favoritism.
Man.
Yeah favoritism. I say oh, yeah, so oh yeah, blog and apples. Oh, wait, minimum way are this way, yeah, for way. But music scene, moon, no be blue.
Okay.
Me best and coming best in my scenario.
Pacho, a book of fast.
Unim, yeah, was a coffee. Coffee blue and now, yeah, coffee, ya this in coffee, but coffee blue.
Yes.
So, Unim, yeah, coffee blue, coffee, yeah, this out, blue, a lack.
Okay.
If so you good now about old friend at sometimes obi to me na show make I more friend me wa kwamoso onya show show no onya school SLC show na ka chale on him bo so ne kasa won put me on ka tell me say oh chale wan ye ma nipa ndos from one oba ekura am won konya de na me say sa wa hwe there so love onim say bo akwa obe perform ye dia no say yeah but love ni no na one thing say yeah it is too much.
Okay.
So I say, music is upgrade. You have to upgrade yourself.
Okay.
You say, and then me in this tower. If say we are some queen, no small movie, you have to learn.
Yes.
So sad.
Enti be near the interview no esiwa. So me per se way I want you to advise the youth ever in music. How to combine music and hustle. I want you to advise them and let's end it.
Yeah, one thing about this life when I say if you want to do something, it depends on you. So I think we are artists, we are upcoming artists, not person we be. Just build yourself in a quality way. And just say, oh, maybe a local champion. I say, compare who to the like big people.
Okay.
So I say, compare. At time it look at TikTok, me to be new. Hey, Charlie, I'm out for your deal. Nah, that night I send me to me a track and then be and I be saying.
Okay.
So I'm meeting.
Okay.
It's always competition, man. Nah, say too dependable on people. Say we one kasa. Say TikTok about a free platform. Who post when you share? We to me the publication.
Yes.
So sad. See eboa. Oh, we posting. We post. We do posting on your one like. I just post. So I say.
Okay.
When you one like, it means when you pan or show. Now being supposed to my be you too.
Okay.
One will create TikTok. I know one name 20 million, 45 million money then. What starting now 45 million and gradual then process. To your upcoming obesity there. So I say, but one more near now. Now there was a saying say we upcoming and so we are mass. Maybe true because time out what about your lyrics and other things or Baba Freud at distract too.
Okay.
Me, I've been a victim before.
Oh, okay.
A friend. I've been a victim before.
Okay.
So sorry.
Until they are future.
Yeah, because me that time corner on me girl, my friend.
Okay.
But our friend could be some as me music or friend. Oh, you can say be 5 minutes. 2 on me na me refi. Now because music is spirit.
Yeah.
So if the spirit comes,
You need to work with it.
yeah, spirit comes because spirit no compare.
And
It's normally a spirit in sometimes when it comes, me fa offense phone.
Yeah.
My recording offense. Me yeah. Who say obey bibi kakra for spirit no compare.
Yeah.
If you get back to the recording now, we get to know when I'm here, what building up strong.
Charlie, pin them. And that's it. And that's it. Into playing on the background, you lose that. Into to me as a loser, audio mark.
All platform.
Okay.
Apple Music, Spotify, Boomplay, the album.
Okay. But you didn't hear.
Pin them tag BINDMTV.
Okay. Into I shuffle. We end it here. Still exploring Mango. The producer Pesimona. Yes, pressure album we had opening police station. On the main casan. I shuffle. The best year later what?
Cause many ways we never know. Many time mistake man than me failing. Forward move when me gauging. Can't stop my shine me rising. Many time mistake man than me failing. Forward move when me gauging. Can't stop my shine me rising. They call me loser. You know one day me boy I wanna rule. We gonna cruise the future. Cause many ways we never know. We no go lose. Call me loser. You know one day me boy I wanna rule. We gonna cruise the future. Cause many ways we never know. We no go lose. Cause me I no be free Messi. Always the way they go higher. Still niggas GMV. Mission never see swat tire. Graphics say no fi contain me. Mama oh yeah, still don't know each daily. She say from down there, no congrats, but almost me a loser. And now counting my debt, strong FM pass Yokozuna. Mommy Kayon boy in down for 4, you know best require. I know one block you, many things you foresee. You call me loser. You know one name, me boy I wanna.